Hi guys, it's Crystal with Design Bundles. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use a clipping mask inside of Procreate. So let's go ahead and open up a new sheet. So you're going to hit the plus menu here. You can resize it right here, but I like to use just an 8.5 by 11. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is come over here to the wrench. You're going to click on it, and then you click on Add Text, just like so. Double tap. You're going to click on the keyboard, and then from here, we're going to click the AA, and then we'll be able to choose our font. I am using Wild Sage today. I downloaded this from designbundles.net. It is 1 credit right now if you were a Plus member. All right, so at this point, we're going to hit the keyboard once again, and we're going to type out designbundles.net. So we're going to go ahead and type that out just like so. Now, if you click on anywhere on the screen, it's going to go ahead and take away that keyboard. And now we want to hit the select tool right up here. And then we are going to go ahead and size this out. So you can just go ahead and drag this out to the size you want. I'm going to make it nice and big so you guys can see today. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and center this up here, and now we are ready to go. So if you select that again, it's going to deselect. So we need to add a layer. So you're going to click your layers right here. You're going to click on the plus here. Click on where it says layer, and then you're going to hit clipping mask, just like so. All right, so now you're going to go ahead and select your brushes and choose a brush that you want to use. I'm going to use alcohol ink and then hit done. So I'm going to go ahead and change the color here. So we're going to go ahead and pick this purple right here. And then all you have to do is go ahead. You can either use your pen or your finger and just go through here, and it's not going to go anywhere but on your typed out font. So it's going to stay within those lines. Now, if you want to add another layer, you can definitely keep on layering it since we're doing an alcohol ink here. We're going to go ahead and hit another layer. You're going to click that layer once again, and we're going to select the clipping mask again. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and pick a second color here. So this is going to give us like a 3-colored effect. So I'm going to go ahead and go find a pink that I'm happy with. So I'm just kind of scrolling through here. We have tons of palettes to choose from over here on designbundles.net. So as you guys can see, I've got a variety to choose from. All right, so I think I've got the pink I want. So once again, I'm just going to go right over this again, kind of here and there, figuring out where I want this to be. And that's it. It's going to stay within those lines. Now, what if you want to use a pattern? So you can download patterns, bring those in. So I've got a couple cute ones here today, some animal print. You're going to click on that wrench, and then you're going to go to Insert File. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and choose our file, and then it's going to import it. All right, so now all you have to do is size it out. So you're just going to make sure that it's going to completely cover your design. You want to make sure it's covered from side to side, top to bottom, completely covered, just like so. Once you're happy with it, you're going to go ahead and select your layer tool here. You're going to hit on your layer and then hit your clipping mask once again, and there you have it. It's going to completely cover your design. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.